Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
I've said it before and I'll say it again. We have been very lucky this summer in terms of wildfire smoke, but our luck has come to an end today and tomorrow with pretty unhealthy air across the states. But we start off with the air temperatures right now because it is pretty close to the dew points out there. We're in the 40s and the 50s right now, and we are looking at a little bit of fog mixed with wildfire smoke. This is a look at Great Falls. Not really seeing too far off into the distance, actually only 6 miles. We're down to 3 miles now in Shelby, and then along the Rocky Mountain front between 5 and 7 miles, even into parts of southwestern Montana. Some of the valleys, Townsend, Helena, down to 7 or 8 miles. Everybody else is looking pretty okay right now. Not a whole lot of moisture down there. Not a whole lot of moisture on the radar either, but there will be at least some drizzles tomorrow as a secondary cold front comes. So it's hazy today. The first wave of wildfire smoke moves towards the south. Another cold front comes in. This will generate some cloud cover and possibly even a couple of drizzles along the Rocky Mountain front, the Central Island ranges, but it will be bringing in some more smoke. This potentially a wave of heavier smoke around this time tomorrow and lasting through the day as that smoke continues to move towards the south. A little bit of wind as well, gusts of 20 to 30 miles an hour in western Montana. Eastern Montana, rather, we will see 30 to 40 mile-an-hour wind gusts tomorrow. The wind stays like today. Today's highs will be in the 80s and 90s into western Montana. This could be the last time we see the 90s in Helena as cooler temperatures are ushered in tomorrow, 70s and 80s out into the plains. So here's the next 7 days for Helena. So I mentioned this could be the last time we see the 90s, and we drop back off into the 70s as that cold front passes through tomorrow. We're not really getting too much warmer heading into the weekend either. At least the wildfire smoke does start to diminish as a west wind picks up Friday into Saturday, but we will see the return of some monsoonal moisture to Montana. We'll have some thunderstorms around to begin next week.